Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 51,501 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has also noted that the inner shaft arm is loose and the left saddlebag lid is missing a retainer. In addition, the rocker box is seeping oil. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's wearing on the grip and bar end, scratches on the rear fender, and scratches on the saddlebag. This bike has 2 keys and comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with fishtail mufflers, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, grips, mirrors, 8-inch handlebars, braided lines and cables, a windshield, axle caps, fork lowers, an LED headlight and LED turn signals, docking hardware, a quick detach tour pack, an engine guard, highway pegs, primary cover, timing cover, a fuel door cover, a horn cover, an aquatic AV stereo, and upgraded upper fairing speakers. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.